Hey guys, welcome back to a very exciting episode. I am very keen to show you guys what is standing right in front of me. It's the solar generator from Jackery, and this model specifically is the 1000 Pro. I know it sounds very exciting, so I'm very keen to show you guys who they are, what this product is, and why you might need to invest into this bad boy yourself for your camping adventures. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Right guys, so before we delve into the features of this unit, I just quickly want to tell you about Jackery, who they are, what they do. Now, I've actually been invited to the Melbourne 4x4 show here in Australia, but unfortunately I couldn't quite make it in time because I'm in Brizzy and it's a long way down there. But instead they offered to send out this unit to me so that I can show you guys all the features that it's got, and obviously about who Jackery is, because some of you might not know, including myself. So they actually started in 2012 over in California, US of A, and they were also the first company to bring out portable power stations in 2016. Not only that, they've also brought out the first portable solar systems in 2018, only 2 years later. So that is extremely impressive, and I did not know about it. So it's very cool that they've now come into Australia as well, being very sustainable, which is very good, because think of this as a solar generator, right? So you've got your normal generators, which works with petrol. They are loud, they are nasty. There's nothing worse than old mate next to you in his campsite starting up his generator, and it just ruins the peace and quietness of camping, right? So it's very annoying. So I'd rather recommend getting one of these where there's no noise, better for the environment, and yeah, you won't have your campers upset with you. So yeah, that's a bit of background information for you, but let's get into the exciting stuff, which is the actual features of the product. Let's go. Right guys, so let's now have a look at this unit. So the one I'm presenting today is the 1000 Pro series. Now there's actually 4 different models. There's the 240, the 500, the 1000 and the 2000. Now all of them are smaller in sizes, bigger in sizes, and they battery and inverter capacities will also be different. So just have a look on the website, see which one is more suitable for you. Now the actual unit is very light. It only weighs in at 11 kilos, and it's also portable, which means it's got this nice handle, so you can literally take it anywhere you want. It's very, very cool. Now when you look at the actual unit at the front, you can see there's plenty of things going on. Now it's got a nice display, so you are able to monitor everything. You can see how much power is coming in, how much power is going out, and it'll also give you a percentage of how your battery is going. Now the 1000 Pro is fitted with a 23 amp battery, and it's also got an inverter built into it rated at 1000 watts. So you know, it's pretty powerful and it's exactly what I need. Moving down, you can see it's got a DC output, so this is pretty cool for all your car socket applications. So your fridges, all that sort of stuff will work with this unit, and I'm very excited to see how long my fridge will actually go with this unit once I put it through the testing. It's got 2 AC outputs, which is very cool, especially for my partner, because now when we go out camping, she'll be able to make smoothies. I can even charge my batteries, especially for my blower when I want to blow out my tent after the camp, make sure all the sand is gone out. But plenty more applications, so literally anything. You can even bring your kettle if you want to and boil some water. It's also got USB-A and USB-C outputs. This is pretty cool for myself as well, charging all my camera equipment, which is important to obviously do what I do now, which is filming, right? So all my drones, mobile phones, cameras, all that sort of stuff can be charged, especially your laptops as well if you're working remotely. Maybe you live in a van, so these units will actually be very handy for you guys as well. It's also got a light, so if you're stuck at night, you don't know where you are, you can literally just use this light. You've got a low and a high, and you've also got a flash option, so happy days. Right guys, so now that we have discussed the party side, let's move to the back side, which is the business, right? So as you can see, there's a DC input, there's also an AC input, so that is very cool. Now you are provided the cables, so don't worry about that. So you've got your DC cable here. Now as you can see, this is basically like a car plug. charger, so whilst you're driving you can just plug it in into your car and you'll be able to charge this bad boy. That's one way to charge it. The other way to charge it via DC is obviously your solar blankets, which is very good. And the good thing about these solar blankets, you don't have to use one, you can connect two up to one unit, which is very good. And then lastly, your AC method, so that's obviously via a house plug, which is good. To give you a rough indication, it took this system about 1.5 hours to charge up from 0 to 100, so that is very quick. The reason for that is it's got a built-in ultra fast charging system, and it also has a battery monitor system built into it as well to provide steady power to it, so it's never going to be undercharged, overcharged, which is very good for this unit. It's one of the only products as well to be certified for their safety, so that is very impressive. Not all companies get that, and you know, buying from Jackery, you'll know it is safety certified, so you will get a very reliable product that won't, you know, blow up any second of the day. So that is very good. The other thing that I love is the DC inputs. Like I mentioned, you can charge it via solar. That is probably the way to go, as eco-friendly based on solar chargings, and I'm very excited to see how it goes. Well, there you have it. That is a wrap up of this video. I'm so excited testing out this product in the next couple of months. I mean, I have no doubt that I'm going to absolutely love it, and it's so good to know that Jackery is the global leader in power stations, and they're all about sustainability and safety, having, you know, certifications for that. So that is very, very cool. Obviously, if you want to check out these products, like I mentioned, they've got a few. Jump onto their website, see which one is compatible for your camping needs, because man, I'll tell you what, I'm very excited to test it out, and I can just say it's very good quality. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, make sure to like, subscribe on the channel, and also comment down below what you reckon about this product. Also, I believe they do have discounts at the moment, so make sure to jump on it before you miss out. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace out.